PRETMANNS Fairy Garden House Kit. Accessories with miniature fairies and welcome sign. Fairy houses 6 high. Fairy garden supplies 4 pieces. FAIRYGADENKIT. You will love this lovely fairy house with a stony finish and a pinecone roof. The blue door may be opened, and the window frames add a unique touch to this lovely house. The fairies, Ava and Sofia, and their pets are fabulous, and you may fall in love with all the detail, and the snail and frog sign is extraordinary lovable. HANDPAINTEDFAIRY lawn kit. Keeping these superbly crafted portions in your fingers will fill you with awe. Each piece is hand-painted, one shade at a time, to provide the top-notch masterpiece you're holding. Artists take exceptional satisfaction in their paintings to deliver these fairy garden pieces, which can be even extra stunning in actual life styles than on display. The quantity of colors used and time spent on getting the proper end makes this a superior product. A perfect present, the oval shade box this fairy garden set is packed in affords the finishing touches to this beautiful fairy set and will make an appropriate gift for a person unique of any age. It is right for birthdays, Mother's Day, Easter vacations and Yuletide, or genuinely to wreck a person unique. Be creative and revel in THEMAGIC. All of the fairy objects are fantastically crafted portions and meticulously painted with the aid of hand. They're even extra beautiful in actual life, and the features of the fairies lead them to very lifelike. Developing a fanciful fairy garden can have a spellbinding effect on, and these nearly existence-like fairies can come up with the experience of childlike magic. Those stunning fairy add-ons will help you create a magical world where whatever is viable. Where can I find or buy a fairy house kit? WHERECANIFINDORBUYSTONEFAIRYHUSE. The Stone Fairy House. You can find or buy these at Herbs Wow Amazon. Comment next, write the text Stone Fairy House. What next? You need to review before to buy is reviewing the no. 1 is product name, no. 2 is compare price, no. 3 is question and response, and lastly no. 4 is reviews from buyers. Rudy. The detail on this fairy set is a welcomed change. Door opens on house, makes a wonderful accessory to your garden. I added a clear coat so the sun won't fade it. BVRANDALL. Beautiful products. Hence I purchased all the sets in this brand for my children's fairy garden. Definitely recommend. Please subscribe. Please like. Thank you for watching.